Today's target word you'll be learning is 진짜. 진짜. There are a couple of different ways to use 진짜 in daily conversations. First, you can use 진짜 when you want to say something is certain and true. A. Is it really moving in with you? B. 진짜. 진짜. Second, you can use 진짜 when you are surprised at something. A. I'm going to marry soon. B. 진짜? 진짜? But in today's lesson, I'll be showing some situations where 진짜 is used to emphasize adjectives. These are the adjectives I'll be using for different situations. Let's look at Korean words for these adjectives.
delicious,
맛있다. 맛있다.
good,
좋다. 좋다.
noisy,
시끄럽다. 시끄럽다.
dirty,
더럽다. 더럽다.
cold,
춥다. 춥다. These are the dictionary forms of adjectives, but we will drop ta at the end and give a little change to an each adjective. Then it'll sound more natural for daily conversations. It's delicious. 맛있어. 맛있어. Let's add 진짜 to this sentence. It's really delicious. 진짜 맛있어. 진짜 맛있어. 진짜 맛있어.
This is really delicious. You should try it.
Yeah. It's really good. Good.
쌤, 진짜 맛있어.
그래?
먹어봐.
그렇다면 한번. 진짜 맛있네.
진짜 맛있지?
완전 맛있는데?
진짜 맛있어.
It's good. 좋아. 좋아. 진짜 좋아. 진짜 좋아.
Have you heard the new BTS song, Amy?
Yes, I already have. It's really cool.
Really good.
Yes, it's really good, isn't it?
Dynamite?
Yes, that one. It's really cool.
It's good. Amy, BTS 노래 들어봤어? 진짜 좋아.
들어봤지? 진짜 좋아.
다이너마이트.
다이너마이트 들어봤지? 진짜 좋아.
진짜 좋아.
블랙핑크 아니다. 왜 하면 또
그만해.
이겠지?
it's noisy,
시끄러워. 시끄러워. 진짜 시끄러워. 진짜 시끄러워.
Amy, what's happening? Are you fixing something?
Yeah, it's been under construction since morning. It's so noisy.
에이미, 지금 공사 중이야?
아침부터 계속.
진짜 시끄러워.
진짜 시끄럽지. 진짜 시끄러워.
시끄러워.
진짜 시끄러워.
it's dirty,
더러워. 더러워. 진짜 더러워. 진짜 더러워.
에이미,
What is this? That's garbage. It's disgusting.
oh, so dirty. 에이미, 이거 뭐야?
그거 쓰레기야.
진짜 더러워. 그래가지고
아유, 진짜 더러워. 아유, 진짜 더러워.
it's cold,
추워. 추워. 진짜 추워. 진짜 추워.
Oh, it's so cold.
Hi, Amy.
Hi, Sam.
It's freezing cold today.
Yeah, it's freezing cold, isn't it? News forecast said it's gonna be very cold today. You wanna take this?
No thanks.
어우, 추워. 어우, 추워. 추워 죽겠네.
에이미 안녕.
안녕, 쌤.
야, 오늘 진짜 추워.
진짜 추워, 그지? 뉴스에서 춥다고 그러더라고.
그래?
진짜 추워.
옷 벗어줘야지.
벗어줘?
됐어.
입을래?
꺼져.